Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book with new product overview video, and today it's gonna be FT53 Top PAL from O.M.S group. The FT53 Top PAL model is an automatic system to apply and thermo-shrink a sheet of plastic film on top of a load. This model satisfies the need to hermetically and mechanically protect the top of load subject from tear due to stacking and ensure a better hermetic seal on hoods welding. The film is shrunk on the product by a ring-like gas oven, and the machine can handle of up to 80 pallets per hour. 80! All automatic and manual functions are controlled by a programmable logic controller. Learn more about other machine characteristics on Glass Open Book, and from there you can also send a product inquiry to receive more information or get a quote. Check out the rest of the product line from O.M.S Group on Glass Open Book. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.